What's up, Paradise crew? My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today we're talking to you guys about embarkation day tips. What you should do, what you shouldn't do, those kind of things. Let's do it. Now, with our trip approaching very quickly, we thought that we'd give you guys a couple of embarkation day tips. We have about 12 days until we actually set sail on the Freedom of the Seas coming up August 11th. So let's start off with tip number 1.
Arrive to the port early. So you technically pay for that whole first day. Why not get to the port as early as possible and maximize your time? That way you have more time to enjoy the ship.
The next tip is packing a carry-on. There's going to be a few things that you're actually going to need while you're on the ship, and you don't want them inside your luggage because that may take a while to actually get to your room. So bring the stuff you need on the carry-on.
Remember to keep your important travel documents with you. So that's your passport, your boarding passes, your IDs. You will need all of that before you actually get onto the ship, so don't pack those in your luggage. Keep those with you.
Tip number 3 is eat before you board, okay? The last thing you want to do is being, a little hangry person before you actually get on the ship.
Our next tip is trying to eat lunch somewhere other than the buffet. There actually are other restaurants open. Some of the main dining rooms are open. There's almost always pizza available. So check out the other options because the buffet is going to be very, very crowded.
Now, tip number 5 is taking a tour of the ship. You need to get a chance to actually explore this thing. Get to know your home for the next couple of days. It'll save you time and you won't get lost in the future.
Also, don't forget to tour the spa. So they will have actual spa tours that first day. They'll show you around the rooms, all the services that they offer. They will also give you some great deals if you book on embarkation day. So if you like the spa, make sure you take a tour and get those deals.
Tip number 6, go to the hot tubs and the pools. You'll be the first one there. It'll be nice and relaxing, and get yourself something to drink. You can start your vacation just a little bit earlier than everyone else.
And our last tip is to eat at a specialty restaurant the first night of your cruise. They often offer special deals if you book that first night, and some of them even give you a complimentary bottle of wine.
So those are a few tips we have for embarkation day. What's a few things you do before you set sail?
As always, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you dig those vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.